If you're struggling to build new habits, listen up. It's not a personal flaw. It's a bug in your personal operating system. We're not here for a full reinstall. IT says that'll take 3 business days anyway. We're just installing a quick patch.
The core of this system is the idea of an atomic habit. Think of it as a tiny change that becomes a source of incredible power. It's all about small, consistent inputs that generate massive outputs over time.
And this is the perfect way to put it. Getting just 1% better every single day, well, that doesn't just lead to growth, it leads to exponential growth. Habits really are the compound interest of self-improvement.
Okay, let's get into our first protocol. This one is designed to fix a critical system error. See, most people think they lack motivation, but what they really lack is clarity. Your brain just can't execute a vague command. So to fix this, you write a simple line of code. This formula turns a fuzzy idea into a concrete, executable instruction. It's like scheduling an appointment with your future self, a self you can't just ghost.
So a vague goal like, I want to meditate more, becomes a specific directive that leaves no room for error. Your brain knows exactly what script to run and when and where to run it. Vague goals cause brain.exe to stop responding.
On to our second protocol. This one is all about overcoming system friction, what we usually call procrastination. And the rule couldn't be simpler. Any new habit has to take less than 2 minutes to do. What you're doing is scaling down any habit you want into a gateway habit. The goal isn't to run 3 miles. Nope. The goal is to perfectly execute the act of tying your running shoes. Anything after that is just an optional system update.
And the logic here is absolutely key. You can't optimize a habit that doesn't even exist yet. So first, you standardize the behavior. You master the simple art of showing up. Then, and only then, can you start to optimize its performance.
Now, let's talk about the master strategy that holds this entire operating system together. It really requires a fundamental shift in how you think, moving your focus from outcomes to processes. Think about it. Goals are finite. They're about crossing a finish line. But systems are continuous cycles of improvement. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. It's just gravity, really.
Now this might sound a little strange, but true long-term thinking is actually goal-less thinking. It's not about the destination. It's about building a system that makes sure you're always moving in the right direction. Your commitment to that process is what determines your progress.
All right, enough theory. Execution is everything. It's time to apply the protocol. Here is your first directive. No pressure, the fate of the world doesn't depend on it. Probably.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. First, pick one new habit. Just one. Second, scale it down to its tiny 2-minute version. And third, schedule it. Use that implementation intention to give it a specific time and a place. It's simple, it's actionable, and it's the first step to reprogramming your entire system.
I've compiled all of this into a clean PDF and an action worksheet for you. The link for that is down in the description or in the pinned comment.
And if this was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see it, and of course, subscribe for more.
And finally, drop a comment below. Let us know what's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours.